studio. Our studio.
This is the Nicole and Cashew Show.
Woo!
Okay, so I'm Cashew, as you can see by my big C.
And I'm Nicole, as you can see with nothing.
Well, I'm the star of the show.
No, you're not.
So,
I'm the star of the show.
well, so how you guys doing? What's up? I'm bored.
This is our first web show on the web.
That would make sense. So celebrate.
Cashew.
Ooh, cashews.
Anyways, as I was saying, I was going to do this web show by myself, but instead, I hired my trusty sidekick friend, Cashew.
Flying into your world. That was crappy. But I don't care. Okay, first we are going to talk about cashews. Now, if you have any extra at your house, then donate them, please. 4169 Grandview.
Don't tell him your address.
My address is yours.
No, it's not. That's
Yeah, it is.
wrong. No,
It's
not.
2.
No,
Alright, my address.
Anyways,